Kada biyahe hanggang agihaw hanggang gaigi iugunayza wisnihita fanhita tafanita nani Mongihaw yeah Mongihaw yeah I don't know how you got into my life but it's the best thing for me
Tihu tungu afa na pogo na dia Ulalala na problema siya Malamog italufan yuli yung sida Dabe kan tu sidan hagu
Fact mark that, wake up, fact mark that. Be the one to save us. From poly to polygat through spiritual contact, our land's being stole, our businesses on contracts. Dear Americans, this is a raw fact. Your morals are the #1 casualty of combat.
My body felt at peace,
but my heart was never breached.
You showed me how to feel something other than defeat.
You went and played along.
I went and played my song.
Oh, give us back our land, 'cause it's all we have. All we have. We gotta gather our resources and strengthen our forces.
I asked why, and you scared me with a smile. You said nothing's gone right, and it hasn't for a while.
Strange as it seems, it was such a perfect view. And the last time I was happy. No matter where you're from, no matter where you've gone, and no matter what your trials or tribulation, and no matter what you've done, no matter what go on, gotta keep on keeping on, keep on keeping on, forward, forward.
No matter what they say about you, don't let them doubt you. You can do it your own way, 'cause you are unique in your own ways. No matter what they say about you, don't.
Zaninekaniha Iman hobi mango tristi Nampiniti sa tita susi